this morning, we are over half sold of the 5,000 tickets we have available. If you want to purchase additional tickets, don't delay. We're on track to have our first sold out year. Tickets can be purchased online or in person at select retail locations. Visit friendlycityfortune.com to learn more details. After today, we'll only have one early bird left before the big raffle drawing. All tickets purchased before midnight on July 14th can be entered into the early bird drawing on July 15th. Ticket proceeds will help HTR make downtown a destination for locals and visitors. Join us on Saturday, July 2nd at 9:15 p.m. for the return of Independence Day fireworks, made possible by our sponsorships from the City of Harrisonburg, HEC, Interchange, Harrisonburg Radio Group, Blue Ridge Insurance Services, and iHeartRadio. You can see a list of recommended viewing spots on our Facebook event page or at downtownharrisonburg.org. Now, without further ado, let's turn on the ball machines and find out who our early bird winner will be today. Please be patient as we might draw some unsold ticket numbers before we get to a winner. Here we go. Ready? 5, 3, 7, 5. All right, that was 5, 3, 7, 5. And it looks like we do not have a ticket sold under that number. So we just reset the ball machines here and we will try again. All right, here we go. 8, 1, 7, 7. That was 8, 1, 7, 7. And it looks like we do have a winner, so we're just writing down that information right now. And congratulations to, drum roll please. Congratulations to M. Messerley from Penn Laird with ticket number 8177. You are the lucky winner of 10 free raffle tickets and $1,000 cash. We'll contact you later today with information. Thank you all again for your support for Harrisonburg Downtown Renaissance and our local community. Have a great day. Bye.